Microsoft your computer, open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint in Windows, and after that you can try this alt code, that is alt 127908 for creating a microphone symbol. So okay, I'll show you how to create a microphone symbol using your computer keyboard. For doing this, you must go to your keyboard and you can see that this is the number lock key. So you must press and enable the number lock key. You must see, this is the alt key. You must press and hold this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you can type here 1 2 7 9 0 8. After typing that, you can release your finger from this alt key. So if you type like this, then you can see that we have created this symbol, that is the symbol of microphone. So this is the method of creating microphone symbol in your computer using keyboard shortcut. For more videos, you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.